And here it is, we're picking it up. Mercedes Gwagon, 2-door, European model. Pretty neat little 4x4 rig. We'll be doing a full restoration on this, plus some add-ons. Do a quick little video of us loading it up and heading back to Sacramento. $154,000 kilometers. Yeah, neat little thing. All right. Hey guys, so we made it back to Sacramento from Tahoe with the Gwagon. We're gonna get it unloaded, get it inspected, check everything inside and out, and start cataloging it, trying to figure out what we're gonna swap into it, what else we're gonna do, how we're gonna raise it, what kind of bumpers we're gonna do. We're gonna have some fun with it, talk to the customer, see what they really want out of it. Obviously we need more power because this thing, I think it maxes out like 55 miles an hour, so that's about it. So yeah, hope you liked a little video on it and an introduction to the new project, and we'll catch you later.